this back behind me is the Catalina Mountains. And I explore the Catalina Mountains all the time, although I have a lot more to explore. So I'm going to show you where the Catalinas start and where it ends. And the Catalina Mountains, I think, run basically north to south. So the north end is up this way and the south end is down that way. Now back that way, if you go down far enough, you're going to hit Tucson. And then like the Catalina foothills area. And then if you head up that way, you're going to end up in the town of Oracle. And then on the other side, there's a whole nother area. So, and I haven't explored the other side very much at all. So that's going to be next. So what I've been exploring mostly for the past couple of years is this side over here, all the way from Oracle, back way to Mount Lemmon, central area here. And then down near Tucson, I do the Mount Lemmon Highway. But the main goal of this video today is not necessarily a high-speed adventure, but it's going to be a slow cinematic view of the Catalina Mountains from north to south with my DJI drone in 4K. So one of the things that I love to do is take super cinematic video, and sometimes that doesn't always fit super good in one of my Pilo's Adventures videos where I'm taking you on a trail or something. And I throw those in there now and then, but this video is going to be mostly cinematic views of these majestic, beautiful mountains that most people don't get to see unless they watch my video. So sit back and relax and enjoy the Catalina Mountains.
Desert floor, shale and bone, the heat is a door. Squirrel shadows stretch and crawl against the looming canyon wall. Dusty lungs and ancient heat, dusty lungs and ancient heat. Dusty hearts that skip a beat, turning off the engine's whine, searching for a silent sign. Sweep the ridge where the eagles fly, between the pines and the endless sky. Rugged spine of the Catalinas, washing out the world between us, high above the cactus line, in the cold of the mountain pine. Mountain pine. Altitude is a heavy coat, heavy coat. Silence thick in the mountain's throat, mountain's throat. Pine needles on the granite floor, granite floor. Leaving behind the desert roar, desert roar. Sweep the ridge where the eagles fly, between the pines and the endless sky. Rugged spine of the Catalinas, washing out the world between us, high above the cactus line, in the cold of the mountain pine. Mountain pine. Just the wind through the canyon walls, when the final shadow falls, when the final shadow falls. dust and the chatter of my own design. The fish in the kettle that climb on my mind. Too many thoughts for a single trail. A mountain of whispers behind a thin veil. I was busy in the canyon, losing the thread, chasing the echoes of things left unsaid. But look at the teeth of the ridgeline bite, drinking the heat of the Arizona light. I killed the steel, let the spinning stop, fell silent to the canyon from the gravel drop. Just stop, look, and listen to the stone until the silence feels like coming home. The road coiled down like a tired snake, past the jagged shadows of the mountain wake. Jag drops and shadows where the water falls, between the high granite canyon walls. No more rattle of a restless heart, just the world pulling wide apart. Look at the teeth of the ridgeline bite, drinking the heat of the Arizona light. I killed the steel, let the spinning stop, fell silent to the canyon from the gravel drop. Just stop, look, and listen to the storm until the silence feels like coming home. Stop. Look. Listen. Just the stone. Just the stone.
I hope you enjoyed this aerial view of the Catalina Mountains. If you liked it, let me know. Subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. My name is Pat Lowe, and this is P. Lowe's Adventures.